Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Here in this video, we are going to discuss how to install VLC Media Player on Windows 11. So with that being said, let's get started. To install VLC Media Player, simply open any browser, search for VLC and open the link from videoland.org. Don't worry about the download link. I'll provide the download link in the description box. And here you'll find download VLC option. Simply click on it. And it will download the latest version of VLC Media Player. Wait for the download process to complete. Once done, simply open the downloaded file. Here we have the installation window. Let me minimize the browser. From the drop-down menu, select your language, then click on OK. Here click on Next. Click on Next. If you want to customize the installation and its component, you can simply do it from here. For now, I will just keep it default. Then click on Next. If you want to change the installation location, then you can simply click on Browse button and browse the location where you want to install. I'll just keep it default, then click on Install and wait for the installation process to complete. Once it gets installed, you can simply click on Finish, or else you can simply close the window. Now to open and use VLC Media Player, click on Search option, search for VLC, and here we have the application. Simply open it. If you get privacy and network access policy window, here you can uncheck this box, then click on Continue. Now you are ready to use VLC Media Player on your Windows 11. If you want to make VLC the default media player, you can simply open Settings, right click on Windows button, then click on Settings. Here click on Apps option, click on Default Apps. Here search for VLC Media Player, click on it, and here you have to set VLC the default media player for all the file format. Simply click on it, select VLC, then click on Set Default. Similarly, you can set VLC Media Player default for other file types. So that's it. This is how you can install VLC Media Player on Windows 11. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.